everyone, welcome to ORing channel. This is Kui from ORing sales team. Today, I'm going to share with you some of our success stories. Natural disaster has been a major threat of human lives even till nowadays. In 2013, there are about 880 disasters happened, with 20,000 lives taken away. Therefore, the importance of predicting possible damages and observing abnormal movements can never be overemphasized. To achieve the goal, ORing cooperated with local university in Taiwan and also 01 to develop a system that can detect every single move in the mountain area. After discussing, we realized there are three major requests. First, data transmission that allows information be sent back to the control room. Second, warning system that when accident happens, users can have instant response. Third, it will be low power consumption because cabling in remote areas is quite difficult. In the picture, you will find all kinds of sensors detect activities like rainfall, falling rocks, or river levels. Each sensor is connected to a PLC, and that PLC is connected to an ORing router. Data sent from devices to the routers will be transmitted back to the control center through 3.5G wireless network, enabling the staff to monitor the rainfall and take immediate actions when needed. Also, the router IR710 supports a variety of event warning modes such as syslog, email notification, SNMP trap, and relay output. For instance, when the accumulated rainfall reaches the user-defined level, the routers will send out notifications spontaneously. In addition, installing and connecting IR710 routers is an easy task, since they use standard RJ45 Ethernet cables. With power consumption of only around 4.5 watts, the routers are ideal for operating in a mountain. What's more, the operating temperature from -10 degrees Celsius up to 60 degrees Celsius enables the routers to endure the sudden temperature change from morning to night or from season to season. If you would like to have a more advanced router, we do have one that is IP67 grade with better water and dust protection from harsh environment. More information about our product and company, please refer to our website www.oring-networking.com, or you may email us at sales@oring-networking.com. Still worried about natural disasters, or you would like to do something for the world? No problem, because ORing is all you need.